Handheld laser welding machine is made by different parts. This is the laser source, and this is water chiller. This is the laser gun. The laser gun is connected with the fiber cables with the machine. And this is touch screen, the operation system. This is 5 pieces protective lens. You will receive 8 pieces, the lasers, and the metal tube is connected with the lasers and the laser gun. And this is gets to the web feeder wheel, and this is tubes. First step, we will introduce how to install the laser gun. And connect the metal tube inside the laser gun. Then install the nozzle with the metal tube. You can see 12 different lines on this metal tube. Generally, you will adjust it on the 0. This means the focus distance from the laser gun to the metal parts. Second step, we will introduce how to install the weld feeder. We have different welds. If you want to weld the stainless steel, you need to use the stainless steel weld, and the aluminum weld is used in the aluminum welding. You can see 1.2 on this the weld wheel. This means the width of this place is 1.2 millimeters.
把这个压住。送出来了啊！再把这个
Now we connect the weld between the weld feeder and the machine. Now we install the power supply wheel of the machine. Install the weld tube between the weld feeder and the machine. Now we will start machine and give the power to the weld feeder, then send the weld from the nozzle of the weld tube.
turn.
Now the weld is sent out from the plastic tube.
你可以看到丝在动吗？
You can press the another bottom, the back bottom, then the weld will move back to the plastic tube. We install the weld tube with the laser gun. Before start the machine, you need to add water in the machine. You need to use pure water. Then open the gas. Now we start the machine. Turn the key switch. Press the start button.
Some 然后脉宽扫描宽度3.2 peak power 7然后这个加工笔把这个频率2K， 我点一个 save。
You can press the save to save the parameters.
还有一个导入
And
import，
these parameters is advisable parameters.
然后一推点，scan speed 3维，scan wise 3.2 ，peak 7。
Now we start to test the laser. First, you need to connect the metal part with the protection device. Then the laser will come up. You can see the welding lines is very beautiful. Then the laser focus is right. Stitch welding. First, you need to weld 2 points
然后再
to fix the 2 mantles. Color welding. This is laser welding system, and you can change the parameters on the setting. Generally, you only need to change the scan speed, scan width, and peak power. Now the scan width is 0, You can see when you set the 0 on the scan wise, it's a point.
Volume.
Generally, you set the 350 scan speed and 3.2 millimeters. Now you can see it's a laser line. It's not a laser point now. The laser will move up and down quickly, and the move speed is the first parameter. You can change the peak power on this place. Now it's 550 watt. Now we change the power from 550 power to 1500 watt power. Save, import, and return. You can see now the laser is more powerful. You can change language here. The password is 123456.
English.
Different language you can choose. This is protection pencil. We push the trigger until it's low laser. If we touch the pencil with the metal bolt, then tail will have laser. Press the start button. Turn the key switch. Turn off the L switch. Turn off the argon gas. Cautions. Firstly, you cannot bend the fiber cable. The maximum core diameter of the fiber cable is 30 centimeters. You cannot bend it. It will break the machine. You cannot make the laser gun vertical to the metal board. It will break the fiber cable and the laser source. The corner from the laser gun to the metal board should be 15 degrees to 60 degrees.